Stunning visuals of eggplant fields and markets, emphasizing its global presence and significance. Introduction to the documentary's exploration of the eggplant's diverse cultural, culinary, and agricultural impact. Exploring the historical origins of the eggplant, tracing its roots in different parts of the world, including Asia and the Mediterranean. Highlighting its historical significance in ancient cultures and its transformation across civilizations. Showcasing the eggplant's cultural symbolism in various societies and cuisines, discussing its role in traditional ceremonies and folklore. Interviews with individuals from different cultures discussing the place of eggplant in their traditions. Exploring the versatile use of eggplant in global cuisines, from Mediterranean dishes like moussaka to Asian favorites like baba ganoush. Featuring renowned chefs demonstrating diverse eggplant recipes and discussing its flavors and adaptability. Discussing the nutritional value and health benefits of eggplant, including its role in promoting well-being and its use in traditional medicine. Interviews with nutritionists and health experts elaborating on the nutritional advantages of consuming eggplant. Showcasing the agricultural practices involved in growing eggplant, visiting farms, and discussing cultivation techniques and challenges faced by farmers. Highlighting traditional and modern farming methods employed across different regions. Discussing challenges in eggplant farming, including pests, climate conditions, and sustainability concerns. Showcasing innovative approaches and technological advancements in the eggplant industry. Examining the economic impact of eggplant production and trade on local and global markets. Discussing the changing trends in eggplant consumption and its place in the global market. Exploring the future of eggplant farming, sustainability measures, and potential developments in cultivation and distribution. Discussing the role of eggplant in emerging culinary trends and its adaptation to changing consumer preferences. Summarizing the documentary, emphasizing the rich cultural, culinary, and agricultural significance of eggplant. Encouraging viewers to explore and appreciate the diversity of eggplant in global cuisine and agriculture. A documentary on eggplant would offer a fascinating journey through its cultural, culinary, and agricultural significance, highlighting its versatility and global impact.